Many people's spring resolutions include cleaning. But keeping a clean house is difficult. Cleaning becomes less a priority as time passes, especially if, like us, you don't sweat the tiny stuff. It's evening. Before flicking the lights off in the kitchen for the night, you've cleaned the sink, filled the dishwasher to run, wiped off the counters, and maybe even ran a mop over the floor. But consider this: how frequently do you clean the interior refrigerator? When it comes to cleaning, the fridge is typically overlooked, but sticky stains, dirt, grime, spills, and more may quickly accumulate within. An hour spent cleaning out your fridge can make you feel great. Having a clean place to store and prepare food is one less thing to worry about. Here's simple methods for cleaning up your refrigerator. Be sure to stick with us to the end for our bonus tip. Make space on the countertop or table. Clear a space on the counter before tackling the refrigerator. You'll need somewhere to put everything that you took out of the fridge. Check that you have everything you'll need to clean out your refrigerator before you start. You can use a multi-purpose spray cleaner, but choose one with less odor to affect your food. You'll need sponges or cleaning rags to wipe on the surfaces of your refrigerator. Remove the items from the fridge. As you remove them, check every item in your fridge and throw out anything that's moldy or is expired. This helps conserve counter space. Make a note of everything you need to replace at the store as you go. You may also take advantage of this time to reorganize your refrigerator and encourage healthier habits in the next year. Bonus tip: monthly quick clean. Focus on cleaning just one shelf at a time. If cleaning the refrigerator feels too challenging, try making it a smaller chore done more often. Cleaning the refrigerator one shelf at a time is the best way to accomplish this. Only take the goods from one shelf at a time, wipe down the shelf, and scrape off caked-on grime before replacing the objects. So how often do you get to your refrigerator? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you next time as we get to the farm.
And I feel like New York City. Get me to the farm.